Hello YouTube, Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So what am I showing you today? It says Neurio W1 HEM home energy monitor, 120 volt, 240 volt, 60 hertz. Actually it operates at our 50 hertz as well, and 220 volts. So here is what the device looks like. And here is where the CT sensors come out. So you see ABC, and then here is where we plug in our, well, the other items that I plug in. So let me see if I can see them. So here is our antenna that allows it to connect to Wi-Fi. So you can either use antenna or you can use this hard antenna, and then you connect it to your Wi-Fi. So you're wondering, why am I showing you this and what does it do? Well, when we talk to clients, they tell us what they think the energy consumption is, and generally when they give us numbers, those numbers are way higher than what, or lower than what they believe it to be. So the best way for us to actually arrive, especially when the customer is big, to arrive at what the actual energy consumption is by plugging this device into their house electricals. So in the US it would be the patch panels, in Nigeria it would be before the DB, after the meter, so that we see what's going in and what they're consuming as well. So we'll see what they're producing. So in this case, here's a house with no solar power, and we've been monitoring what they've been doing for a week now. So let me show you. You can see the graph, and then it shows you what the highest was today, 9.81 kilowatt hours, and then what the lowest, 1.62, and then what the total is, and then it shows you net numbers, what the average is. You know, it just gives you all these numbers, and it gives you the time of day when they're hitting these numbers. So you see from midnight all the way through. So let me show you right now here at 12 a.m. 6.82. So let me see if I can go back and show you power over energy over time. Let me see. That's what we're looking at. So power over time. So power over time, that's a better and more accurate reflection. So the other, what I just showed you was kilowatt hours. So here is actual consumption. So the highest the heat was 14.5, the lowest the heat was 1.9, and the averaging 6.6. So let's look at what they did yesterday. So yesterday, highest was 21, lowest was 0 and 3.8. So I guess the lowest was when the power went out before they started their generator. On July 17th, the highest number was 18.3, and the average 4.3 kilowatts in consumption. July 16, 18.4, the average 5.2 kilowatts, and on. So July 15, same thing. So looking at this data, we're able to arrive at what we think. First of all, it allows us to size the inverter properly. It also shows us how much their consumption is in kilowatt hours. So we know this customer has averaged 111 kilowatt hours a day in consumption, but today it looks like they might blow through that number. They have 4 3-phase central air conditioning units. So of course, when they are all on, they consume quite a lot of power. So based on this now, we can do a design for the customer and give them a system that's not overly large, okay, and give them a battery that will cover their daily needs. So we can design a 100 kilowatt hour battery, knowing that gen will come on once or twice during the day to top it up, and we could also bypass the grid during that time. So I'm pretty psyched. This tool, we've used it before. It's not really very complicated. As long as you know how to plug it in and then connect it to the internet, it will give you daily figures. It will give you information on a daily basis till you finish running what it is you want to run. So look at so we've looked at power over time, energy over time. Energy over time tells us kilowatt hours. So if you look at the total so far, they've consumed, their highest was 9.81 kilowatt hours, and here is 89.2 just for the day, and it's just, I think it's just 1 o'clock now. Yes, 1:30. So I could look at it on a weekly basis. So look at it week. So bear with me. So we're going to look at the week that started July 12th and ended July 18th, which was yesterday. And you can see my chart or my graphs. And then you could see what the highest was, 126.99. The lowest was 90.45. And they are averaging 111.62. Pretty exciting. And then of course it gives you on a daily basis what it is you did. And this way, when you prepare a report, you can show your customer, okay, this is where your consumption is, this is where your peak from your inverter is, and this is what we're going to calculate for you in order for you to be able to realize some cost savings over your generator or the grid power. So I'm pretty psyched that we can use this tool, and it allows us to do more accurate readings, or actually do more accurate estimates for our customers based on this number. This device, actually Neurio, the company, was acquired by Generac, and the name of the tool is now called the Power View, as opposed to the Neurio, whatever it is, Neurio Home Energy Monitor is now called the Generac Power View. So once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, post them in the comment section below. If you had to subscribe, please subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching. Dr. Sola out.